national innovational programs of railway transport development are unthinkable without modern road machines, since speed, safety and efficiency of work of railway directly depend on the condition of the railroads. The RPM Group is a strategic partner of the Russian railways in this field. Here, the maintenance vehicles of latest models are developed and built. In 2011, at the Kaluga plant, Remput-Mash, in cooperation with specialists of the Austrian firm MFL, the Russian first rail milling train was built. It is designed for restoration of the form of rail heads, removal of wrinkles, for removal of defective metal layer on the working surfaces of the rail heads. During creation of this machine, the principal position of Russian railways, introducing the newest foreign technologies on the territory of Russia, has been realized. This is the analog of machine of the Austrian firm, which also produces RFP. The main condition of milling is the correct pressure of the milling head and ideal observation of cutting regimes, without crooks, without extra effort. We developed the following concept: 2 milling sections, 1 draft section, with a draft section in the middle. The draft section is a buffer. Here, the alternative mass is concentrated. The milling sections are provided with aggregate, hydraulics, which provides draft and arrival, as well as the control system, electrical system, air conditioning systems, everything that has the permanent weight. Carriages of the milling sections of RPM own design allow including all mass of the machine in the milling process. The maximal weight of the section is 90 tons. It provides stable pressure without hitches and crooks. Chips are immediately exhausted, that makes RFP work safe and ecologically clean. Work with the German specialists and study of the European experience of production and operation of the similar trains allowed the RPM designers to apply the solutions, which take into account the predecessors' problems. Thus, a separate drive is used for RFP1 with a capacity of 540 kW each. The transportation movement is provided by the draft section with approbated locomotive diesels. A separate drive ensured increasing of the efficiency of work. We can do milling with 2 modules at a time, with a depth of 3.5 mm on the railhead and 3.2 mm on the side, and we can make speed of up to 1.8 km per hour. Putting mills on the track is done automatically at the given depth. Unique digital control system allows the operator to see and control everything happening on the rails. The system allows very quickly collecting information about the surrounding conditions and making immediate decisions. Besides the operator's cabin, the first section is provided with a toilet, shower, coupe for 4 persons and a kitchen. This allows taking a relief crew and organizing continuous operation. The second section is provided with a toilet and a workshop, as well as a subsidiary diesel generator with a capacity of 10.5 kW. After certification tests, the machine will proceed to work. Its application will allow liquidating labor-consuming and extensive operations prior to welding and regrading in stationary conditions. Even now, the first feedback from road workers on RFP1 is highly positive. I never thought before that the rails may be milled, and here is the result of milling. But a fully worn-out rail acquires the initial profile after passaging of the milling train. Of course, it impresses. The RPM Group is a Russian leader in the field of innovation developments, construction, modernization and repair of road machines. The group unites 9 enterprises on the territory from the western borders of Russia to the Urals.
The RPM Group has always been, still remains, the leader in the Russian market for Czech machines. Its unique potential, still kept, is to produce all types of machines for all needs that Czech workers for all types of works need in their life. And we can produce very sophisticated machines for very sophisticated railroads, and we can produce simpler machines for simpler railways.
The Russian Railways and RPM plan for the next 5 years the technical re-equipment of the concerned enterprises and organization of road machinery service centers on the whole territory of the Russian Railways. This will provide the efficient and trouble-free work of machines, maintenance and development of the world's biggest country's railroad economy.